Hey guys, welcome to Code Gen X. Today we will learn about very SQL basic things that is delete duplicate records from a table. So that question is frequently asked in interviews, right? Any of interviewer will ask like how to delete duplicate records. Many of candidate will give answer like we can use select distinct and then we will have the only unique values, right? But the question is to delete duplicate record, right? So if I run this query, like we have this table. So in this table you can see like there is a column ID, name and gender, right? So if you see like Mark and Mark is there with gender is male, but Mary female is replicating two times, right? So here is duplicate records we are having in this table. So if you run this query, like select distinct ID, name and gender, so you will give only unique records. Mary is not replicating over here, right? So but that is to check to get unique records only, but we in our requirement is like we need to delete duplicate records. So to check the duplicate records in a table, what we will do, like we will use ID, name and gender, and then we will put count star, right? So whatever column you are thinking like that would be duplicating values, you can put over here. Then you can put count star, then we will give one alias name, that is CNT, and our table name, right? And then whatever fields we are using over here, we will put into group by, and then we will put condition like wherever is count star is greater than 1, like then it will give the uh, count greater than 1, it will give the 2, right? So if you see in our case, Mary is replicating two times, so count would be 2 over here, right? So to delete that is to check the duplicate records, right? So what we can do to delete, like we can put outer query over here and we can put condition, right? But we will see this thing with CTE. So CTE is common table expression, we can where we can have we can use the inner query, and we can use this data set further on to check the values, right? So here I have written one CTE like delete duplicate, and then I mentioned all the ID, name and gender. So I'm using in Windows analytical function over here, that is row number. So row number is nothing but it will give the sequence based on whatever partition by things we are using over here, like ID and name we are using over here, right? So like we know like ID, based on ID and name is value is replicating. So we will put ID and name over here, then we will put order by, and we'll give alias name as a CNT, right? So by running or by executing this query, I will check like if it is giving correct result or not. Yeah, here Mary is a record which is uh, duplicating, right? So we can check like through this query as well, right? So if you run this query, so you will see like count is like Mark is unique, then one, Mary is replicating, so 1 and 2, and then Steve is 1, right? But to delete the duplicate records, what we will do, like we will put delete over here, and our condition is like whatever is greater than 1, like it is replicating two times. So let's say Mary will have one more record like 2, and Mary and the female, then count would be 3 over here, because we are using row number. So if I run this query, let me run this query. So if I run this query, one row is affected, so duplicate record is deleted from here. So let us check once again. If I go to this window, I will execute this query, we will get only unique records, right? So that is the one way to delete duplicate records. We will learn about any other methods as well. So in next sessions we will check those as well, right? But this is the very basic example on SQL to delete duplicate records. We will see in next sessions about the other scenarios as well. So yeah, that's all guys. Please like, share and subscribe to Code Gen X. Thank you.